Yeah. We're good. Booking Freddy's Fancy Fencing, Foil, Spencer's Pro, Bucks, Coders, the best. I'd like to see you beat my man Freddy here. Party night, 8 o'clock. Bring your safe.
Chase, come on up now.
I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 woofers. And whatever the truck has, you can see there's holes in it, which I'm going to have to cover up. I have an amount of 4 TVs, a PlayStation 2, as I think it is, and head visor for the top of the truck sits about up here. It should be nice. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like with pictures. See how my cutting worked out. Ooh, not even a line, it's just right there. It's good. See you tonight. Peace out.
Tired of your produce going bad. Try Lemonade Produce Saver. Keeps hair flowing and moisture away, so produce stays fresh and crisp up to 33% longer.
I don't know about if any of you can see, but I have all the speakers in. I have one TV up in here. That's a TV. A TV in here, a PlayStation in there, down in this area down here. I have a TV in the back, right there. Woofers. Other woofers connect, and there's a little TV right between those 2 amplifiers. Some nice drop stars. Nice curl. Here's the old rims, which I threw out earlier. But these, the tires and rims actually fit in the rim of this. Well, they don't fit in there, but you know, close enough. Nice step up. But I was gonna put the Cadillac wheels on it. Look just as nice, but you know, I want to get a little more custom. Just gonna put these on, but those are way too small on me. Yep. That's what it looked like before. After.